Hiyam Housing Society was created by our Squamish Nation Council back in 2019 to provide affordable housing for our band members. We have, a lot of demand to build affordable housing as fast as possible because the nation has a wait list of 1,000+ members. For this initiative, it's really to bring our most vulnerable populations home.
Some of the funding that's available requires a very short timeline to deliver, and so modular housing is a natural to fit into that spectrum. All of the players have worked quite hard, including NUQO and Kindred and Dialog and ourselves with client, in terms of trying to get the right information in a timely way.
Kindred was fully engaged in the planning process, including creating detailed scopes of work, the work breakdown structure, tendering the project, the quality control processes. There was real effort put in towards communication and coordination between the factory and the site to minimize the disconnect.
There's lots of individual items and nuances to the building that have really, I think, brought it to life and given it character despite being so new. There's murals on the outside of the building that were designed by First Nations artists. There's a totem pole going to be right outside. The cedar features that have been worked into the building have a real cultural significance. It really has been designed with that warmth and homeliness in mind. It's a warm environment that's also designed to be incredibly flexible, which I think is going to be really beneficial in the weeks, months and years to come.
Some key highlights include the vinyl graphics, which was designed and installed by a local artist. Level 1 includes amenity spaces, such as a fish cleaning station, a commercial kitchen, and a multi-purpose room. 100% of the suites are either accessible or adaptable. People in wheelchairs, parents with strollers have easier access into their suites and into the building.
The modular element really allowed us to deliver this more quickly, and as part of our vision to always be pushing technology boundaries, whether that's the introduction of BIM into the industry or going with prefabrication models as per the one here. I think that's really key to delivering homes and quickly to address our housing crisis here in BC. The project was not without some significant challenges along the way, not least the time frame. Going a modular route allowed us to expedite the build time, which was great, but what it didn't account for was trying to expedite particularly off-site services, electrical connections, water connections that traditionally have a long lead-in period. How we tackled that was to be incredibly proactive and be engaging those parties before we even started on site.
As a team, we discussed early on how our core values would align with the project's vision. It's been an honour to know that we're making a difference in support of the Squamish Nation.